Whoa! What's going on, ma'am? Checkers, emergency! In Pablo's room, right now! Oh, let me guess. Either Pablo's having a heart attack or Freya's having a meltdown. Even worse! Lordy, this better be good. I had to come into Pablo's room in my bolt jammas for this. No, it's baby Keem. What? Oh my god, what's going on with baby Keem? Oh no, is he okay? No, he has the hiccups. What? What? That is why you got me out of my room in my bolt jammas? Just because baby Keem has the hiccups? Well, yes. I don't know what to do. They're not going away. Ma'am, they're hiccups. You have to take this into consideration. Everyone gets over hiccups, and they're not even bad. Like, they just stay for like a few minutes. No, you don't understand. I have to take care of baby Keem. No, Ma, it's okay. Come on, baby Keem. We need to put you in a big bed. I thought Pablo's bed would be the best. Pablo, wake up. Get out of bed so baby Keem can sleep in it. What are you saying? Get out of the bed right now. Whoa, jeez. Easy on me. I only had 9 hours of sleep. All right, baby Keem. Just sit right here. All right, and then I'll just cover you up. And I don't know what to do. Mom, just listen. It's going to be okay. Yes, I have a few home remedies that will cure hiccups. Like what, Bati? Explain. Well, for instance, back in my old country, whenever one of my family members would have hiccups, we would run outside and try to catch the biggest toad. I don't like where this is going. And then you get the toad, and you get the long piece of iron, and you stick that piece of iron in the fireplace, and gently rub it on the toad. Not enough that it hurts it, or it might hurt it a little bit, but you don't want to do any, like, physical, long-term damage on the toad, but just a little bit, and then if it hops away, your hiccups are gone, but if it stays there, then your hiccups stay. I don't think it ever stays there. Just like your hiccups go away eventually, because the toad goes away. Does anyone else have any ideas? Oh, and the kuko, and the manamata, and the kuka kapatabara, and the skuga, and the scuba lava, and the muka, and the kunaluma, and the kana. Nah, that's only for cockatoos, Keem. Oh, malakachi. Well, when I was little, when I'd have the hiccups, my dad would fly me around in his plane, and then he'd go upside down, and then that would help. Whoa, Pop had a plane? Oh yeah, it was so cool. It would go upside down and everything. It was really cool. Wow. Wait a minute. Did Baby Keem stop hiccuping? Oh, Baby Keem, are you better? Oh, I'm so glad you're better now. Uh-oh. What? Oh no. You know, I just remembered another one. Back in my country, whenever we would have the hiccups, another thing we would do is we would collect some of the rainwater. So if rain falls, only if it's blessed rain. If it's not blessed rain, it won't work. So if there's blessed rain falling from the sky, and if you hold your little cup, the rain will fall into the cup. And then if you gather a little bit of ash from the fireplace, and then put a little bit of it in it, and then rub it right on your eyebrows, that usually does it. Patty, we're not taking any more suggestions from you, okay? Well, I have one more. Patty, come on. Yes, I have one more. You hold your breath. Patty, that's crazy. Oh, wait, ma'am, that actually works. Oh, okay. Hey, baby Keem, hold your breath. No, hold your breath. Hold your breath. Now, listen to me. You hold your breath right now. No, Lori, that's not how you do it. Oh, actually, I have a really good suggestion of how to end his hiccups. Oh, really? What is it, Pablo? Well, you would, get out of my room. What? Yeah, if you look it up, as the number one cure for, getting rid of hiccups. You get out of Pablo's room. Oh, and the coca. No, Keem, you did not see that on the internet before. Pablo just wants us to get out of his room. Well, yeah, that too. Just please get out of my room. No. Whatever. I just don't know what to do, Checkers.
Mom, it's okay. He'll stop hiccuping eventually.
No, I'm gonna call a doctor.
You know, why does Papa always have all this food in bed with him?
Hello, Dr. Luna? Yeah. I need you to come as soon as possible. Yes, it's an emergency. All right. It involves my son, baby Keem. Just please make it, please, just as quickly as you can. Oh, thank you. All right, go. All right, bye. Love you. I mean, I didn't mean to say that. Bye. All right, I came as soon as possible. What happened? Oh, okay. Hey, Dr. Luna, I'm so glad you came. All right, my son, baby Keem here. Yes, what's wrong with him? He has a really bad case of what? Oh, no. What? Of hiccups. Hup, 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 hup. Dr. Luna, what was that for? Well, that is for... Wait, come up here so you can hear me. Oh, okay. Here I am. That was for wasting my time, Lori, and wasting all of my energy, and... Listen, Dr. Luna, it's not that... Oh, come on, Dr. Luna. Lori, I was in the middle of a meeting, okay? The middle of a doctor's meeting. And I was saying all these great things, and everyone was clapping and getting all excited. And then they were so excited to hear more. They were going to, make me a really cool doctor to do cool things. But then, suddenly, the phone rang. And, Lori, I was worried sick when you told me that something was wrong with your son. You should have seen how quickly I bolted out of there, and how quickly I drove my car. I crashed into 4 different cars, and I almost fell off a cliff, and I hit my head really hard, okay? And then I had to end up to your house, and it was just because your stupid kid had hiccups. You are the worst person who has ever lived. Good day to you. Can I bring home some of those snacks on that bed? It's hopeless.
Mom, listen. Just give him a little bit.
I gave him a little bit. He's been hiccuping for 3 hours now. Well, actually 2. Shut up! Malakachi. Nothing's working. Lori? We can't do anything. He's never gonna stop hiccuping. I'm gonna be the mom of the kid who always hiccups. In school, his name's gonna be Hiccupy, and...
Mom, calm down!
Wait a minute. Wait. Do my ears deceive me? Wait. Baby Keem has officially stopped hiccuping. It is a miracle. Oh boy!
Yeah, Mom. I told you he'd get over it soon.
Shut up, Checkers. Oh, this is so great. Right, Bati? Bati? Oh, yeah, Lordy. Sorry, I just zoned out a little bit. Alright, come on, Keem. We're gonna watch some Oddzilla. Fee, ha.
Well, I guess everything's back to normal again.
Hup. Oh, God, no.
Oh my goodness! Oh, I did not know it was you. I wasn't thinking that we had to do an afterword right now. All right, let's start that over again. Buenos dias, mi amigos. I'm Jorge the Monkey, and this is an afterword with Jorge the Monkey. Did you know that for the longest time, the stuffed animal for me was stuffed in the same drawer as Patrick's clear slime? So yes, and then everything started. The slime started to get all over all the stuffed animals. So if you look, there's a little bit of slime still on my foot, and I cannot get it off. And also, Harry's favorite stuffed animal, what is his name? Oh, Junk? He's like disgusting. He's covered in all Patrick's clear diet slime. So it's disgusting. But they put me somewhere else now, so I won't have to be stuck in that drawer with that slime. So that's good. Yes, well, I am so glad that they were able to put me somewhere else, so I won't have to be in all that slime. So, I guess that is all I had to say, right? Yeah. All right, well, that was an Afterword with Jorge the Monkey. Goodbye.